Hi guys, BlackNight here. Tonight we have here one of our customers, Volvo XC60 with D3, and now we are resetting all the fault codes and also making it fault free. After this we will do also the regeneration. Now the Volvo is fault free and we can start the regeneration. Now we are in the regeneration menu. We will tap to shoot the particle filter. Yes, okay. This is the value and we want to have it smaller. Firstly, it will go higher, but after the regeneration and the cooldown of the particle filter, it will, and also the catalytic converter, it will go down. And as you can see, now when we tap start, car is starting to doing the regeneration. This process can take several minutes and can be done statically, but also as a dynamic. When the regeneration is turned on, it's normal that car will smoke first couple of minutes. For clarification, you need always to check the temperature of the car and of the catalytic converter. I don't recommend to go above 700 degrees. Normal is to have it like 650 or so. Then I turn it off if it's done statically. If dynamically, you can drive a couple of minutes on this temperature. After you reach this temperature, it's good to turn it off, cool down a bit, and then start again. Now, as you can hear, we let the car cool down. We have reached relatively the right temperature, and we will do the regeneration once again, or more a couple of times, and then we will see the results. So the Volvo has cooled down, and we can start the regeneration process once again. I click start, and as you can hear, the car just started the regeneration. So guys, we are done, and now we will stop the regeneration. The next process will be on the highway, and that one we will show you for next time. If you want to do the same work, just contact us. Have a nice day. Bye.